In this video, I'm going to show you how to draft a tweet in X.com, formerly Twitter, step by step. This is a really useful feature if you want to write a post now and save it for later, so you can come back and publish it when the timing is right. Whether you're planning content, saving ideas, or just not ready to post yet, drafting a tweet is quick and easy once you know where to click. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the post button. This is the starting point for creating a new tweet. So click post to open the composer. After that, type your tweet into the text box just like you normally would. You can write your full message, add emojis, include hashtags, or paste in any text you want to save for later. Take your time here and make sure the tweet says exactly what you want, because this is the content that will be stored in your drafts. Once your tweet is written, don't post it yet. Instead, click the cross button or the close button to exit out of the post window. When you do this, X.com will usually detect that you haven't posted the message and will give you the option to save it as a draft. This is the key step that lets you keep your tweet without publishing it immediately. Now click save and your tweet will be stored in your drafts. That means you can come back later, edit it if needed, and publish it whenever you're ready. It's a simple process, but it's very helpful if you like planning ahead or batch creating your social media content. Drafts are especially useful for creators, businesses, and anyone who wants more control over what goes live and when. So just to recap, click post, type the tweet, click the cross or close button, and then click save. That's all it takes to draft a tweet in X.com. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy how-to guides.